Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Gemini AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Gemini AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in gemini-ai.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of Gemini AI's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Gemini AI and tap on sign in. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on reset password option. This is how you can log into your Gemini AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.